What is project management collaboration? Project management collaboration is the process of teams working together to successfully complete a project. For this to work, a project manager must first outline best practices and ensure all team members are on the same page. Why is project management collaboration important? Every team member is different and works in different ways, so it's important to unite them all under a shared goal. By combining everyone's ideas, teams can achieve two key advantages. The first one is productivity. When teams work together, they hit their targets faster and produce higher quality results. One example is California tech company Tactus, who saved time by collaborating on Wrike's shared platform. Tactus follows an agile methodology known as Scrum, where their teams work in short project cycles to produce deliverables. By using Wrike, they shortened their Scrum periods by 80%. Secondly, collaborative teams are more innovative by nature. They work with external stakeholders to collect feedback and use it to improve their deliverables. A project team may have good ideas to begin with, but collaboration is what creates great results. So, how do you get started with project management collaboration? First, you need to set up a project management team. When forming a project management team, you must first ensure that everyone understands the project scope. They must also have the necessary skills and the capacity to carry out the work. These are the basic requirements. To achieve optimal results, you need a few extras. A successful project team has 5 key elements. 1. A strong leader. 2. Clearly outlined goals. 3. Standardized processes. 4. Diversity. This means having a culturally diverse workforce, but also a range of different experiences and skill sets on the team. And 5. A great team rapport. When all these factors combine, the chances of project success are significantly increased. Now that you have identified your team, the next step is a kickoff meeting. Here, a project manager will share the project plan and overall goals with the stakeholders. For more information on what a project kickoff meeting entails, check out the video linked in the description. After the kickoff meeting, the project is officially underway. The project manager must now focus on keeping the team on track to achieve the project objectives and deliver results. Their leadership at this stage is vital to project management collaboration. Motivational speaker Brian Tracy once said that successful people are simply those with successful habits. So, for a team to be successful, they must develop good habits. How can a project manager help them to do this? By following these 5 guidelines. Successful habit number 1. Lead by example. A good project manager will be a role model for their team. If you exude the benefits of a good habit, your team members will likely follow suit. Successful habit number 2. Enlist some early adopters' help. These team members will embrace the new habits quickly and spread the word to their colleagues. Successful habit number 3. Celebrate the small wins along the way. No victory is too small, and a project manager needs to recognize every marker of progress to keep their teams motivated. Successful habit number 4. Adopt innovative ideas to keep teams interested. You could gamify some aspects of project work or develop other incentives to make the process fun, adding a new layer of motivation. Successful habit number 5. Blend old habits with new ones to make the whole transition a lot smoother. To ease team members into new routines, project managers should identify the similarities between old and new to create a sense of familiarity. Now we move on to the next stage of project management collaboration, maintaining the collaborative environment that is already in place. How do collaborative teams work together on an ongoing basis? There are a few activities that can help with this. 1. Get to know each other. Team members should discuss their hobbies and non-work-related topics to learn more about each other. This will help to develop a strong team rapport. 2. Embrace diversity. Each team member has a different background and cultural identity. These differences should be respected and embraced so everyone feels comfortable working together as a team. 3. Recap meetings. By reiterating team responsibilities after each meeting, everyone will be aligned and know what to work on next. 4. Make sure to include everyone. Sometimes introverted people can be overlooked because they don't declare their opinions as loudly as extroverts. Figure out ways to ensure they are heard. One example could be a private suggestion box. 5. Inject a sense of humor. Where it is appropriate, project managers should try to lighten the mood and make their team members feel at ease. A shared laugh can help to develop friendships and bring a team together. So you know how project management collaboration works. But what if some team members prefer to work alone? They may need some convincing on why a collaborative environment is better. Here are a few benefits you could use. 1. Fewer meetings. A lot of employees dread the unnecessary meeting that could have been an email. With collaborative software such as Wrike, teams can work together to do the bulk of their work. That way, meetings are more efficient and only held when necessary. 2. Effective brainstorming. Collaborative teams will regularly brainstorm to generate new ideas and flesh them out. If you have a good idea but are struggling with how to develop it, a brainstorming session could be an ideal solution. 3. Rapid conflict resolution. When people work in isolation, conflicts can arise and escalate quickly. In a collaborative work environment, team members will ideally be willing to communicate openly. A misunderstanding or disagreement can often be solved by talking things through. Finally, we will look at an essential branch of project management collaboration, the remote office. With more and more companies embracing a work-from-home approach, project managers must equip their teams with the tools they need to get the job done. One of these tools is a robust online collaboration platform. The best software will act as a single source of truth for all projects, enabling teams to collaborate in real time, provide separate communication channels, and balance workload to reduce burnout. Wrike has a variety of features to help you boost project management collaboration, including a live editor, customizable dashboards, and more than 400 app integrations. Want to try it for yourself? Start your free trial today.